A for apple, apple. B for ball, banti. C for cat, pilli. D for dog, kukka. E for elephant, enugu. F for fish, chepa. G for goat, meka. H for hen, kodi. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for jug, jaggu. K for kite, galipatam. L for lion, simham. M for monkey, koti. N for nest, goodu. O for orange, kamala pandu. P for parrot, chiluka. Q for queen, rani. R for rabbit, kundelu. S for sun, Suryudu. T for tiger, Puli. U for umbrella, Godugu. V for van, W for watch, Gadiyaram. X for Xerox. Y for ack. Z for zebra. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment.